are getting the DLL missing error on your PC, then we know how to fix it. Simply watch this video to learn how to solve this issue. This is Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. DLL missing errors are pretty common and they can appear while opening applications, connecting external hardware, or even installing apps. There are some ways you can solve this issue, and we have shown those here. Follow all the solutions we have shown here to fix it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. So, let's begin. Method 1. The first thing you need to do is update Windows to the latest version. Updating Windows often reinstalls the missing DLL files. Type check for updates in the search bar and select the top result. Click on the check for updates option, and if any download is available, download and install them. Restart your PC after installing the updates to implement them. Method 2. If updating doesn't work, you will have to try running the DISM and SFC scans. DISM scan repairs the Windows image, and SFC scan will check for corrupted and missing system files and fix them. Type command prompt on the search bar and run it as an administrator. Type the command as shown: DISM/online/cleanup-image/restorehealth. You can also copy the command from the description of this video. Wait for it to finish running. Once the scan finishes, type SFC/scannow and press enter. You will also find that in the description of this video. The scan will take some time to finish, so keep patience and don't close it preemptively. Restart your PC after the scan finishes. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions, or if you are facing any issue while performing them. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.